My name's Ken Griffith. I live here in San Diego. I'm a pilot. I was at my dentist and we were doing a cleaning and I had some problems with my teeth, some periodontal concerns, and so they suggested that I come here. You know, what I have done is I have called in at a time when I had to change the schedule, and they jumped right on it. They took care of it. There were no problems, and I was able to come in at the time that I needed to come in. She's very much customer focused, and I think that trickles down, and it's apparent in the rest of the business here. I was a little hesitant coming here because I'm new to San Diego, and I was coming on another person's recommendation. But once I got here and I went through the procedure, Dr. Gohel personally followed up that evening. She gave me her cell number, she texted me, she wanted to know how I was doing that evening. As far as recommending her to someone else, I would highly recommend her. You know, I've actually, well, just talking to her, she's very personable and she's very professional. She's very good at what she does. My mouth is an example of that, I guess.